Your bone is your structural support, and that microcirculation activates your osteoclast, osteobite and osteoclast. It rebuilds and breaks down the old bone and stimulates the new bone. So that alone will strengthen your bone. So if you're obese or a fragile or osteoporotic patient, just being on the Hypervibe strengthen your bone right away, because that's all it needs. A little shaking with the recipe of the gravity, your bone cells activate and alive. They go, oh, okay, we're going to make more bones. We're going to get rid of the old bones. It's called bone remodeling. The bone remodeling on Hypervibe is so efficient. And the patient don't even realize that after they come and visit, they're able to tolerate now sitting. They're going to tolerate standing. And then once they're standing on the Hypervibe, it can translate to walking. So you can go straight to walking without building your, not tendon. We're not even talking about tendon. We're talking about the basic structure of the bone. When you feel the bone, when you feel that, senses that gravity stimulation, it will remodel itself. It will efficiently get rid of the old bone and made new ones just because of that vibration motion alone.